Marja Samson, the Dumpling Diva, and I'm going to show you how to make homemade pan-fried dumplings. I have some dumplings that have not been cooked yet. They're stuffed with pork and chicken and vegetables, and I have a pan that has about half a tablespoon of oil. It's a non-sticking pan that usually helps a lot, and the oil is nice and hot. Make sure of that. You can hear the sizzle, and we're placing them in now. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. I am actually number 7 myself. It's a lucky number. Now, after it's been sitting there for a minute, we add a spoon of water, careful, and close it, because it will cook and create steam to cook the dumplings in a very quick time. So they are pan-fried, that is true, but they also have a little bit steaming action. We'll turn it down a little bit, and they'll be done in just a minute. When the water has evaporated and steam doesn't come out anymore, then you know it's ready. It's quieting down. It is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shall we do a lift off? I think so. And there we see a fabulous selection. And are they kind of coming loose? That means that they're cooked. And there's a little bit of liquid left, so we let that evaporate. And wow. Yeah, now if you'd like to have them a little crunchy at the bottom, this is the time to let it sit for one other tiny second till all the liquid is evaporated, and then we're ready to present. Marja Samson, the Dumpling Diva here. We've just shown you how to make homemade pan-fried dumplings. Enjoy!